Llyod Wright, a writer, architect, interior designer, and educator who has designed more than 1,000 structures and completed 532 of them. With his career lasted almost 70 years, Wright was one of the most influential and imaginative architects of the 20th century. Born on June 8, 1867 on farming town of Richland Center, young Wright spent much of his time playing with the blocks. His father, William Carey Wright, was locally admired orator, musician, lawyer, and minister. His mother, Anna Lloyd Jones, a country school teacher, was believed played the biggest role on young Wright's architecture. Wright started his career as an assistant, building his experience to working with few architects. He involved in works that allows him to explore and creates his own style, which is known as the organic style.
Mr. Wright opposed the idea of architectural styles such as Greek and Rome. He disliked a home with lots of decoration, bay window, and turret. For him, a structure should be blend in with the environment and just like grow from the ground, and the material should be natural.
Mr. Wright started his creation of organic style through Ruby House, Unity Temple, Tellison East, and the most famous one, the Falling Water. Built on 1936 to 1938, surrounded by 5,000-acre Bear Nature Reserve, it was built for Edgar Kaufman and his family.
Well, it was uncommon relationship like usual client and Mr. Kaufman's son studied architecture under Mr. Wright, and it made the relationship between them develop and closer than usual friends. Mr. Kaufman loved to spend time seeing the waterfall, and without hesitation, he asked Mr. Wright to design a house that facing the waterfall. But after 9 months struggling, the design came up. It's very unexpected for Mr. Kaufman because it wasn't near or facing the waterfall, but on the top of it.
With the dissatisfaction of Kaufman, Wright justified that the house shouldn't just look at the waterfall, but to be an essential part of his life.
Once Mr. Wright decided the location of the house, he had the obvious problem of building it there. The location of the project itself actually employs support of 4 bolsters, 3 reinforced concrete, and 1 of stone masonry that helps to support the cantilever of the floor. There are columns and beams that form the porch and the plates. The horizontal elements that stretch as terraces on the waterfall were made with concrete. And some walls and other vertical elements that divide the space of the house, like the floor, were lined with native stones from the side. And also, as you can see, some details of the house are made in steel that actually support the foundation of the house.
Falling Water was featured on the cover of Times magazine on January 1938. It's the only major Wright's design house to open to public, with its furnishing artwork and setting impact.
Falling Water is now open for tours, with prices starting from $20. It currently hosts more than 150,000 visitors each year, and until the year of 2008, 6 million people have visited Falling Water. It is also open for summer residency, and as for students, they can also join the architecture camp, where they will be given a 1-week tour to get to know more about the architect, Llyod Wright.
Even though Mr. Wright lived us forever, his legacy remains inspiration for us all. His creation remains a big contribution, and forever, he's the greatest American architect of all time.